Today's discussion is focused on the low-power, long-range wireless technology called LoRaWAN. The ability to easily acquire data and insights from distributed assets is a key way to unlock value within the industrial IoT.
The industrial IoT brings machines, cloud computing, analytics, and people together to improve performance and productivity. Our industrial customers are at different stages of their digital transformation journey, and they look to us for the technology and solutions they need to harness operational data and make faster and smarter decisions.
Integration has been the failing point really for many IoT projects in the early days. LoRaWAN, as I said before, is a horizontal standard. You just have one IoT network and you pick and choose sensors from different manufacturers. Everything is compatible. We are seeing now 110% per year growth rate. And that's not on a base of 10 devices. It's on a base of millions of devices already. So this is really explosive.